Hello, I am Mrs. Vaishali Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati tutorials. If you like my videos, then please like, subscribe and press bell icon also. Here I am discussing last 17 years C.E.T maths papers. It will be useful for other board students also. Now I will solve some problems from inverse trigonometric functions. Here question is we have to find out value of this. So to find out value of this, if you will see root of 1 plus x square, you will get idea that we will have to substitute x is equals to tan theta. So if I will put x is equals to tan theta, it will be sec theta minus tan theta. Sec, I will write it in terms of sine and cos, I will take LCM. But you know 1 minus sine theta is cos theta by 2 minus sine theta by 2 whole square. And cos 2 theta formula is cos square theta minus sine square theta. So cos theta is cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2. So if I factorize this a square minus b square as a plus ba minus b1, a minus b will cancel with this. And here it will remain cos of theta by 2 minus sine of theta by 2 divided by this. I want to write everything in terms of tan, so I will divide by cos theta by 2. So we'll get 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. And this is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. See it? Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now tan inverse is already outside, so tan inverse of tan of this will become this. I will substitute the value of theta by 2. Pi by 4 minus half of theta. Theta is tan inverse x. So this is your answer. Now here, this function, this is not trigonometric function, but because it is inverse, I am taking here. Inverse of this is which answer? First, I will define inverse. If fx is equals to y, means y is a function of x, then x is equals to f inverse of y. So I will substitute this one as y and I will try to find out x. So I will take LCM 10 raised to x, it cancels. So you will get 10 raised to 2x minus 1 upon 10 raised to 2x plus 1 is equals to y. I want to find out x. So I will cross multiply. Then 10 raised to 2x, I will take one side. Both the 10 raised to 2x, I will take one side. So what I will get here? 10 raised to 2x into bracket 1 minus y is equals to y plus 1. So 10 raised to 2x is equals to y plus 1 upon y minus 1. I want x, so I will take log to the base 10 to the both sides, because here it is 10 raised to 2x is there. I am taking log to the base 10. So log of 10 raised to 2x to the base 10 is equals to log of this to the base 10. Here it is minus. So 2x will be equals to, this 2x will come here, log 10 to the base 10 is 1, so 2x is equals to this. So x is equals to half of this, so this is your answer. Next problem is very easy, sine inverse of x by 5 plus sec inverse of pi by 4 is equals to pi by 2, then x is equals to what? You know sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equals to pi by 2. So this is cos inverse of 4 by 5. So sine inverse of x by 5 plus cos inverse of 4 by 5 is equals to pi by 2. So x must be equals to 4. This is first round problem, you can solve easily. Now we have to find out value of this. So whenever inverse function is inside the bracket, better you substitute that is equals to theta. So cos theta will be 4 by 5. So if I draw a diagram, this will be 5, 4 and this will be 3. Cos theta by 2, I want sine theta by 2, because this I have substituted as theta. So sine theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 2 root of that. Because 2 sine square theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos theta. So by using that formula we got it here. So cos theta is 4 by 5, I will substitute. I will simplify, I will get this answer. So this is your answer. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3, you solve it. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula, that is equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. you will get answer 1. This also it is very easy. This tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula I use, and that is equals to pi by 4. So whatever will be there, tan inverse, that will become 1. So you find out the value of x. X is minus 1. This function cos inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse z is 3 pi. You know, principal value of cos inverse x, cos inverse function lies between 0 to pi. So any one of them, because total is 3 pi, if any one of them is less than pi, the other will become greater than pi, and it is not possible because maximum value of cos inverse function is pi. So each must be pi. So if this is pi, cos inverse x is pi, then x must be minus 1. Y must be minus 1, z must be minus 1. So substitute x, y, z minus 1 everywhere. So you will get this answer. Now next problem is we have to find out, these are all problems from papers. From C.E.T also I have collected some problems. So tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 13 plus this dot 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 till infinity with what is the value of this. First I will find out sum of the n terms, and then I will take limit n tends to infinity of that. First term I can write it as, first you see denominator I can write it 1 plus 2 into 1, and numerator is 2 minus 1. If you solve this you will get 1 by 3. This 7 I will write it as 1 plus 2 into 3, and 3 minus 2 I will write here. 13 I will write it as 1 plus 12, that is 4 into 3, this is 4 minus 3. And so on. Similarly I am writing this. And ulta formula of tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, if you use, you will get this is tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 in one bracket. Another bracket tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2, and so on. Now this term will cancel with this. Next, this will also cancel with next one. Because here first term cancels, second remains, and here last, therefore here last term will cancel and this will remain. See here, because here second term remains, in the last term first term will remain. So these two will remain, this minus this. So it will be tan inverse of x minus tan inverse y formula I use here. You will get tan inverse of n upon n plus 2. Sum I want till infinity, so take n tends to infinity of Sn. So tan inverse of n I will take common from this. So here it will be 1 plus 2 by n. N gets cancels and 2 by n becomes 0. So it will be tan inverse of 1. So this is pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. You can remember, if you can remember the answer, you remember this answer. Next one, tan inverse x plus 2 cot inverse x is equals to 2 pi by 3. Find x. Tan inverse x plus 1 cot inverse x, you take separate, it is pi by 2, and 1 cot inverse x remains, is equals to 2 pi by 3. Pi by 2 you bring here, you will get pi by 6. So x will be cot of pi by 6, that is root 3 is your answer. Now this problem, sine of tan inverse of 1 minus x square upon 2x, cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. I know formula for this is 2 tan inverse x. But I don't know formula for this, so I'll write in terms of cot inverse. Cot inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. But cot inverse also I don't know. I know tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. So what I will do, tan inverse plus cot inverse is pi by 2. So cot inverse is pi by 2 minus tan inverse. This is also 2 tan inverse x. This and this will cancel, and sine of pi by 2 will remain. This is equals to pi by 2. See here, I know formula for tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. So what I am doing, first I am writing in terms of cot inverse, and that cot inverse I am writing it as pi by 2 minus tan inverse. This is tricky step, you remember this. And this gets cancelled because they are having same value. Sine of pi by 2 is 1. Now this one. Tan of this, I know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. So I will try to write this one as tan inverse. So cos inverse 4 by 5 is theta. So cos theta will be 4 by 5. So this is 4, this is 5, this is 3. So tan theta will be 3 by 4. So theta will be tan inverse of 3 by 4. So given example will become tan of tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. Apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. You will get tan inverse of 17 by 6. Tan and tan inverse will go and this will be your answer. Now this is also similar problem how we have done here. 1 sin inverse x I will take, with this it will become pi by 2, and from this 3 sin inverse x will remain. So you bring it here and divide by 3. You will get sin inverse x is pi by 6. So x is equals to sin pi by 6, it is half. Cos inverse of minus 1 minus sin inverse of 1 is what? Cos inverse of negative, if you want to remove negative sign, if you want to remove from this, it is pi minus this, you know, and this is as it is. If you will put bracket for this, this will become pi by 2. Plus sign it will become. So pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2. Now this problem, 3 into sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square minus 4 into this, 2 into this. You know value of each term. This is 2 tan inverse x. So it will become 6 tan inverse x. Similarly, this will become minus 8 tan inverse x. And this will become 4 tan inverse x. And you simplify and solve, you will get x is equals to 1 by root 3. It is very easy. This is also very easy. You write how we have done it here. Like that, sin inverse you write in terms of tan inverse and apply formula and solve it. Cot of cos inverse of 7 by 15. 7 by 25. I will write cos inverse of 7 by 25 is theta. So cos theta is 7 by 25. So this is 7, this is 25. So this square minus this square, if you do, you will get 24 square. So this is 24. So question, we want cot of theta. So cot of theta will be this upon this. This is your answer.